Welcome back to Creation Tech. If you're looking for the best table saw to handle do-it-yourself projects, home renovations, woodworking, and everyday workshop tasks, you're in the right place. A reliable table saw can make cutting faster, safer, and more precise, whether you're a beginner tackling weekend projects or an experienced handyman upgrading your workspace. But with so many options available, finding the right one can be challenging. In today's video, we're counting down the best table saws for the everyday handyman. We've selected these models based on performance, durability, cutting accuracy, safety features, ease of use, and overall value for money. Be sure to watch until the end to discover which table saw stands out as the best choice for your needs. And don't forget to check the product links in the description below for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. SKILSAW Table Saw. The SKIL 10-inch heavy-duty worm drive table saw is an ideal saw for professionals and serious woodworkers. Its legendary worm drive gearing makes it extremely durable, providing a 3 to 5/8 inch depth of cut that can easily handle extremely tough woodworking tasks. This saw also has a 30.5 inch rip capacity, allowing for even large projects to be accomplished easily. The precision rack and pinion fence system make fence adjustments quick and smooth, ensuring precise cuts every time. Plus, it comes with a dust port elbow that contains debris in one area for easy cleanup and outfeed, and left support that allows larger cuts to be made by just one person. Additionally, the rugged rolling stand has 16-inch wheels and easy load handles that allow excellent mobility to move around the work site or shop. Number 2. BOSCH Worksite Table Saw. The BOSCH Worksite Table Saw is a powerful and versatile saw ideal for every woodworking project. With its 15-amp saw and 4.0 max HP, it provides impressive rip cutting and cross-cutting of fine and rough materials at a speed of up to 3,650 RPM. Its large cast aluminum top gives extra workspace and supports materials up to 30 inches in width. The soft start circuitry manages the intensity of the motor start-up, minimizing the chances of tripping a circuit breaker. It also comes with constant response circuitry for maintaining speed under load, and restart protection for accidental startup prevention. Furthermore, its square lock rip fence ensures enhanced clamping and greater trueness. For convenience, this table saw also includes portability features, such as the included lighter gravity rise-wheeled stand for easy mobility. It offers a single-action setup and takes down for maximum efficiency, while its onboard storage allows access to all included components with ease. Lastly, thanks to the arbor lock which permits easy blade changes, you can easily make adjustments if need be. The arbor lock and blade wrench are stored conveniently on board. Number 3. DEWALT Table Saw. The only suitable portable table saw that packs all the power you need for any and every job site is the DEWALT Table Saw. With this table saw, making adjustments when working and storing tools when not in use is made easy. It has a compact size, rack, and pinion telescoping fence rails, and provides the ability to make a variety of cuts. Moreover, the metal roll cage ensures that your tool will be safe at the job site. We love this model, and we've only identified one thing that lacks: it does not have a dust collector. Number 4. SKIL Table Saw. This table saw comes with an excellent folding stand. It's a must-have tool that packs the right amount of power, built-in features, and tools that guarantee smooth and clean cuts. It comes with rack and pinion fence rails, an integrated folding stand, and parallel blade alignment, and it provides up to 4x for material cutting ability at 90 degrees. Our favorite part? It has a dust-poured elbow, so this table saw redirects the dust to a container for easy cleanup. Number 5. WORX Electric Table Saw. The WORX Blade Runner Portable Electric Tabletop Saw offers a wide range of features and capabilities. It is perfect for performing cross and rip cuts, making it versatile. Weighing in at under 15 pounds, its lightweight and portable design allows it to be transported with ease to any job site. Additionally, the adjustable miter gauge allows for 0 to 60 miter cuts from both the left and right sides, so you can make a variety of miter cuts, regardless of the angle. What makes this electric table saw stand out from the competition is its innovative design combined with performance-driven engineering standards. WORX tools are made for those who want to do their projects better and faster than ever before. You'll be able to feel confident that your saw is up to modern efficiency standards and built to last. With its convenience and durability, this electric tabletop saw is an ideal choice for any DIY enthusiast or professional looking for a reliable tool.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.